Hello crafties, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am here to show you guys how to crochet the honeycomb stitch. It's super easy. It consists mostly of chains and double crochets, and it's the perfect pattern to work up for those summer projects where you need a little more breathing room. And without further ado, I'm going to jump right into the tutorial. Alright guys, so we are going to start this pattern off with a slip knot. If you don't know how to do a slip knot, I do have a tutorial back on the channel that goes over all the beginner crochet stuff you'll need. Alright, and then what we're going to do for this foundation row is chain in multiples of 4 plus 3, and then we're going to add an additional 5 for turning. So for my swatch, I think I ended up chaining a total of 20. So I think I'll do that again. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, there's my multiple of 4. Then I need to add 3. So 1, 2, 3 makes 15, and then like I said, we're going to add that additional 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we're on to row 1. So for row 1, we're going to yarn over and we're going to double crochet in the 8th stitch from our hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gonna yarn over and insert our hook in that chain, and we're just gonna double crochet. Just like that. And so you end up with this little D shape here at the end. Now what we're going to do is chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to skip 3 stitches. So not the one we just double crocheted in. We're going to go to this next one, and that's 1, then 2, then 3. And we're going to double crochet in that 4th stitch. And we're going to keep doing that across this row. So however many chains you have, you're going to continue to chain 4 and skip 3 all the way across your row. I'm in my last one, just double crocheting, and I'm at the end of my row 1, and I am ready to move on to row 2. Alright, row 2 guys, we are going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to turn our work. Now what we want to do is yarn over, and we're going to double crochet right into this chain space. No fancy tricks, just insert your hook in that chain space and double crochet. And we're going to keep doing that. So what we're going to do is chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are going to yarn over and double crochet in that next chain space. Awesome. My yarn is sticking to me. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over and double crochet right into that chain space. And you're going to do that all the way across your row until you reach the end. And you're simply going to yarn over and insert your hook into that last chain space and double crochet. And this is what you have so far. So all you're going to do basically for this pattern is repeat row 2. So moving on to row 3, I'll work row 3 with you. We're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to turn our work. We're going to yarn over and we're going to double crochet into this first chain space. And do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, insert your hook into that next chain space, and double crochet. So like I said at the beginning of the video, this stitch is beginner friendly and it's super breathable. Like, I don't know, look at the size of these holes. So if you're looking to make something simple but kind of elegant at the same time, this is probably a go-to stitch. Alright, and there's row 3. Now what I'm going to do is work up a couple more rows, and I will come back when I have finished this swatch. Alright guys, so I have worked up like 3 more rows, so now my swatches match. And now I'm going to show you guys how to bind or cast off, or, wow, my words today, fasten off. There we go. So basically once you hit the end of your row and you're ready to like cut this off, you just want to chain 1 and you can snip your yarn. Simple as that. Get my scissors here. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If so, go ahead, leave me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. It helps you guys to see my videos as they roll out. Of course, I post crochet tutorials every Sunday at 9:30 CST, unless otherwise noted. Also, it just helps to promote my videos through the algorithm. You know, YouTube is doing its funny thing again. Don't forget to check out my other social media. I am on pretty much everything except for Snapchat. And until next time guys, happy making.